Hi everybody. In this video I'm going to demonstrate creating a masked layer. Masked with an ED on the end of it as opposed to mask without an ED. And this is a continuation of the exercise that I started in the previous video. Creating a mask is a two-step process. In the Create a Mask Layer video we did the first part of the process. And in this video, we're going to create a masked layer with an ED on the end of the word mask. And like I said, I'm just going to continue with this exercise. So the next part of the process is I'm going to click the heading layer on the timeline to make that the active layer. And then I'm going to go to my Modify menu. And I'm going to point to Timeline. And then I'm going to click Layer Properties to bring up the Layer Properties dialog box for the heading layer. And a couple of things I want to verify here. Under the Name area, make sure the Show checkbox has a check mark in it. Then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click the Lock checkbox, same as I did when I was creating the mask layer. But here's the different part of the process here under Type. In the previous video, you'll remember that I clicked on the mask option. Well, this time I'm going to click masked with an ED on the end of it. Masked with an ED on the end of it. And I'm going to click on OK. Now, you'll notice at this point that the text and the oval on the stage just disappeared. And you'll also notice on my timeline, the heading layer is indented under the mask layer, and both icons representing both layers on the timeline have changed. Don't panic when this happens on your screen. This is supposed to happen. At this point, if you play the movie, you'll now see that our mask is doing its job. It's hiding the text at the beginning of the movie, and as the circle moves over the text, it's revealing the text through the circle, which is exactly what we want. I'm going to play that one more time just so you can see what goes on. And this is creating a masked layer using Adobe Flash CS6.